In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Tradingview chart. If you've ever wanted to show someone exactly what you are seeing on your screen, your symbol, time frame, indicators, and drawings, there are two simple ways to share it directly from your chart. I'll walk you through both options and explain when to use each one so you can share clearly and confidently. First, open your charts. Make sure the view on your screen looks the way you want others to see it. Everything visible like your time frame, indicators, and any drawings will be included in what you share. Take a quick moment to center the chart and confirm you are on the correct symbol. The fastest way to share is with a snapshot. Look to the top right of the chart and click the camera icon. This opens the snapshot panel. Choose Copy Link and Tradingview will copy a shareable link to your clipboard. You can paste that link into a message, an email, or anywhere you communicate. This is great for quickly showing exactly what you were looking at in that moment. It's simple, fast, and consistent. And the person on the other end can open it right in their browser. If you want people to explore the chart interactively, use the Chart Layout Sharing option. In the upper right, find your chart layout name and click the small arrow beside it. Then switch on the sharing toggle. Tradingview will generate a link that provides interactive view-only access to your layout. That means others can pan and zoom around, hover for values, and see your indicators and drawings without being able to change your saved setup. It's a great way to let someone study your work in detail. When you no longer want the layout to be accessible, simply return to the same place and turn the toggle off. Whichever option you choose, the final step is the same. Copy the link and share it. Paste it into your chat, post, document, or email. And you are done. If you are collaborating, consider adding a brief note about what to look at, like the time frame or a key level, so your recipient knows exactly what you are highlighting. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.